Hi, in this video I continue with my pool table vector graphic project, and this is how far I've got in the previous part of this tutorial. And I kind of abandoned this project because, judging by the views, I thought that not a lot of people are interested in it, but lately I got some comments encouraging me to continue, so that's what I'm going to do. And in this part I'll finish the last two pockets. I'm going to start by selecting this one, Control D to duplicate it. Then I'm going to move it over here holding down the Control key. Next I'm going to zoom in close. Then I'll drag a guide and I want to position it around here at the edge of this piece, and then I'm going to grab this circle and make sure that the bounding box edge here matches with the guide. Then I'm going to mouse over the guide and hit the delete key to remove it. Let's zoom out and select this one again. Start the fill and stroke tool. For blur I'm going to use 2. Next, for the stroke I'm going to add a flat color for now, and I'm going to paste the code here and kind of a reddish color. You can see the code if you want to copy it, or just select kind of a reddish color that sort of matches this piece here. And next I'm going to select a linear gradient, click on the edit option, and here for the end stop I'm going to select it and change the color to black. I'm going to close this now and choose the create and edit gradients tool, zoom in. I'm going to position this circle around here and the square a little bit outside of the pocket like this, and then with the selecting transform tool, Control D to duplicate this, remove the stroke. Then for the fill I'm going to select 30% gray, I think it was this one, and then I'm going to adjust the opacity to 30 and also remove the blur. Next I'm going to select the radial gradient option, again with the create and edit gradients tool. I'm going to position the square around here, then holding down the shift and the control key I'm going to grab the end stop, one of the end stops, and I'm going to rotate this, and then I'll drag like this to scale this. Next I'm going to select the edit gradient option, make sure I have the first stop selected, and then I want to adjust the alpha here to 200. So basically with this I'm controlling how strong the effect is. If I grab the slider and reduce the opacity, you see how this affects the pocket. If I increase it, you see what's happening. So I'm going to go back to 200, but you can experiment with this and adjust it in any way you want. I'm going to close this and also the fill and stroke tool. Then I'll grab the select and transform tool, drag like this to select this pocket, and use the group option. Then Control D to duplicate this, and then I'll use this option to flip it. Next I want to select this piece and I want to send it all the way to the top using this option. Then I'm going to hold down the shift key and select this pocket again. Go to the align and distribute tool, and I want this to be relative to the first selected, and then I'll use this option. Then I'll click away and click on the circle, delete key to remove it, and I'm done with the last two pockets. And I think that in the next two videos I'll be able to get the graphic to this state, and after that I'm going to continue. I've said before that this is not finished yet. I'm going to add pool balls and some other stuff. So that's it for this part. I hope that it was useful. If it was, like it, leave a comment, visit my channel, subscribe. That's it for now. Bye.